Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover how we can create our free Azure account, and apart from that, today I will teach you how you can launch your first virtual machine on the Azure portal. So let's jump to the demo. So for creating your Azure account, we have to go to the first Azure page over there, right? So I'm going to Azure page here. So for going to, you have to just type here Azure free account, right? Azure Azure free account, right? Once, then click on the first over there, and then you'll be on the first page. Then here you can see start free and pay as you go. There's two options for that. So we'll start from start free here. Just click on the start free. And as we mentioned in the first slide, you have to carry your valid credit card, right? It's required, and you have a one email ID for that. So it's a very easy process. You have to first sign up here. Just log in with your Outlook email ID. Then put your they will ask your credit card detail for that for the verification purpose. And don't worry, it will cost you only ₹2, and it will be back within the 48 hours, right? So just do it. Once you will be ready, they will just verify and your account will be ready. So once your account will be ready for that, so it will be look like that. This account, give me one moment. This is the account, right? And you will see this message here ki you have a limited credit, means 18,000, almost 18,000 it will be credit for you, means 1 month you will get ₹18,000 here. Correct. So this is the first thing. So let's jump to the first virtual machine, how we can create our first virtual machine on the Azure here. Right. For that, you have to go to this bar here. Just click on the virtual machine. Once you will here, just click on the create button. You will find your four options for that. So click on the first virtual machine here. There are four options we will discuss later in the another video for that. And here you will find these kind of information you have to fill up before going to launch a EC2, whether you can say the virtual machine, right? So first we have to create a resource group. Just give the one resource group like of testing resource group, resource group, right? And just click on OK and give your first virtual machine name, just like a demo. We can give it here, right? Choose your region. We will discuss on the other video what is region, what is availability option, what is zone option, multiple options. We will explore it here, right? And go to the availability zone. We are going to select no infrastructure redundancy required here, right? Click on that. And for that, use the standard one, right? We will discuss what is different between these options over there, right? And one things keep in mind, always choose the free service eligibility, right? Just click on that and then move to the authentication type. So here, guys, yeah, there are two way to do this. Means we can create SSH key. Either you can create the password option, means you have to create your own password. Either you can use the SSH key. So today I'm going to tell you how you are using the SSH key. It's the more secure way, right? And after that, in the next video, I will teach you how you can set your own password over there, right? Once you are done with SSH key here, this is your username, right? For that, and they will create a generate SSH key for you, right? And if you want to put your key pair name, you can give it just like a demo, right? And once it is done, I think we are good. Go to the next page. In the disk section, always keep in mind you have to choose here. Never use the premium SSD for the demo purpose. You have to always choose the standard. Just click on the standard. And I think we are good here. Then go to the networking section. You will find a lot of option here, but we are not going to look into this. We will see in the next video. Click on the management console and go to the monitoring section and go to the review and create. It will validate your all information according to this portal, right? Just wait, just we have some time with me, right? As we can see, this window has been launched here, right? You can see it is done from here, deployment succeed. And you can also click on the, go to the resource and you can see your demo virtual machine is ready for that. So once it is ready, once there is a public IP address, so we can access from any location here. So there are multiple way to connect this one. So today we are going to just use the simple way how we can connect your first virtual machine from our testing machine, means our Windows, our laptop here. So for that, you have to just click on the connect, click on the connect button here, right? They will guide you. Okay, first, there are two options. Local machine for that means your portal will be on the Azure portal, means your console will be on the Azure portal. Second is the native way. So for that, they are saying if you want to do this, these are the prerequisites which you need to pass. I hopefully, because it is open for the public access, so it is going to be passed. So once it will done, what you have to go over there. There are a lot of different software comes to the market for that, but I'm using Git Bash for that. So you have to use the Git Bash here, right? Once your key is downloaded, you have to open your Git Bash here, and how you are going to log in this virtual machine. SSH I put your key name here, which you have given here, demo.pem, right? And here is your Azure name in your once you will put the your PAM key along with your username here, right? Just click on enter, right? And once, yeah, here it is. Now we are connected with our public virtual machine here, right? How you can verify? Just logging to your root user, just command IP address. They will tell you this is your private IP address. So how you're going to validate? Just logging to your Azure portal over, and here you can see your private IP address, right? We have a lot of things to do with this virtual machine, but for this video, we are done here, right? I will see you in the next video. Meantime, just take care and bye-bye. See you guys.